This is what we plant. This is the sugar cane. There's a lot there on the other side that I put. And this side we're gonna fill up the sugar cane that has. This one I need to fill it up. Yeah, this one. This is how we do it. This one, the one I put like this and like this. Yeah. You need to arrange it and then cover it again. And then this one like this and like this and cover. There's a lot. There is still a lot there.